Hello. Today we're going to be doing a science experiment with Elena. Elena is in 2nd grade and she's agreed to help us.
Hi.
So Elena, what we're going to do is we're going to conduct an experiment and we're going to see if a black piece of paper or a white piece of paper will make a piece of ice melt more quickly, okay?
Okay.
Did you know that different colors sometimes absorb heat differently?
No, I did not know that.
Well, do you want to try to see if we can figure out if black or white will absorb more quickly?
Yes.
Heat? Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to design or develop a hypothesis. Now, a hypothesis is what you think will happen. So do you think a black piece of paper or a white piece of paper will melt a ice cube quicker? What do you think?
Black.
Black. Okay. So hold on just a second. We're going to look over our list of things that we have here, and we're going to design that experiment to see if you're right, okay? So what we have here in front of us, we have a white piece of paper. We just need one. And then we have a black piece of paper. That's okay. We have a black piece of paper. We just need one. We'll move these ones we're not using. Okay. And we have a cup that we're going to use the rim of to measure some circles so that when that ice starts to melt, we can see how far it melts, okay? All right. We have a black crayon to write on the white piece and a white crayon to write on the black piece of paper. We have 2 ice cubes that are the same size. Are those the same size?
Yes.
Okay. And then we're going to use our stopwatch on our phone to measure our time, okay?
Okay.
All right, so the first thing we need to do is to draw our circles on our paper, okay? So I'm going to fold this piece of paper over so that we have the middle of our sheet, okay? All right, now I want you to take the cup that has the smallest mouth on it. All right, awesome. Well, let's do the bottom. Remember, we decided the bottom was the smallest, and we're going to put it right in the middle of that crease. And then I need you to draw me a nice, good circle around that cup. Now, is it all the way around?
Yes.
Okay. Now we're going to take our second larger one, and we're going to put that right in the middle, right around that circle. Can you draw me all the way around there, please? Good job. Now we're going to take our largest bowl and we're going to put right over top of that one, and you're going to draw all the way around that. All right, good job. Now we're going to take our white piece of paper and we're going to do that same process over. So we're going to fold to get us a middle. Then we're going to take the smallest cup again, put it right in the middle. Good job. And yep, go ahead. Our next one, put it right in the middle there. All the way around. And then finally, our largest. All right, good job. All right, so we have our 2 pieces of paper here. That's okay, I'll fill that in. We have our 2 pieces of paper. Now we have our lamps. Now each lamp is the same lamp. You'll see over there, there's a lamp that's the same lamp here. They both have a 120 volt light bulb inside of it, and they are going to be turned on at the same time. So Elena, can you place an ice cube in the middle of the white circle you have here?
Yes.
It's a little cold, isn't it? All right, sit it up to where it's up on its side here so we can make sure the other one's exactly the same. Perfect, okay? It is a skull. I did certain ones. Okay, let's walk over here to the other one.
Looks like a literally skull.
It is.
But what?
All right, we're going to take this last piece of paper And then can you put this ice cube in the same exact place that you put that one over there, in that middle circle?
How are they?
All right. Now, can you walk back over to yours? All right. We're going to turn our lamps on at the same time. Now, make sure it's right at the edge of the paper. Mine's right at the edge of my paper. All right. Turn your lamp to where it's pointing at the ice, and it is. Good job. Perfect. All right, Miriam, you are going to turn our lamps on at the same time. Are you ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3. Perfect. All right, we're going to set our timer for 15 minutes. And then we're going to check on this ice cube in 15 minutes. Okay, Lena, so how many seconds do we have left?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Awesome. All right, so there's our timer telling us that it has been 15 minutes since we first turned on the lights. All right, Elena, so now we're going to collect data and we're going to compare it, okay? All right, so let's look at our yellow ice cube our ice cube on a white piece of paper first. I don't know where I got yellow. All right, Elena, so take this pencil here, and on our little graph here we have, did the ice cube make it to the first circle?
Yes.
Okay. Did it make it to the second circle?
No.
No. Okay. So let's go over here. All right, Elena. Did the black piece of paper, did it make it to the first circle? Did it?
Yes.
All right. Did it make it to the second circle?
Yes.
Did it make it to the third circle?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we'll turn our lights off.
Can I eat it?
No, you can't eat it. Come back over here. All right, Elena. So, what happened? Did the black piece of paper or the white piece of paper make the ice cube melt faster?
Black.
The black. So your hypothesis was right, wasn't it?
Yes.
So you predicted correctly. Come back over here for just a second so the camera can see your pretty face. All right. So what we're going to do next is we're going to think about why this happened. Now, why would the color make a difference?
Because white is cooler and black is hotter.
Okay, that's a good reason of why it happened. So white actually makes heat go off of it. It reflects heat, and black absorbs heat. So white makes heat go away, and black makes heat come on more. So think about this in real life. How could you take the knowledge that we learned today that black absorbs heat? How would that help you?
So if it was a cold day, I could wear a cool black shirt so I could get more warmer.
For the sun? And what about if it's really hot outside?
I could wear the white shirt because it's more colder, so I could feel nice when it's hot outside.
That's a great job. Give me 5. All right, say bye-bye.